Welcome guys, so today I'm with VIVO V23 and I want to show you how Camera Pro mode looks in this phone. So to open the Pro mode we have to go for the More modes and then we have to open the Pro. It's right here. Okay, right now we'll find few of the parameters, but at the first I can recommend you to tap on this information icon where you'll find description of each feature. So there's at the first exposure compensation, the second one is ISO, third is shutter speed, third is the white balance, fifth is the AF, of course both are focus, and next we can go for the restore defaults like the hard reset of the Camera Pro mode, histogram, and focus separation. Okay, so let me just show you how we can adjust the parameters. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.